In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag to a Zoho CRM contact when creating a new contact. Tagging your contacts is a simple but powerful way to organize your data inside Zoho CRM. Tags let you quickly group people by things like interests, status, or campaigns, and then filter or report on them later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can confidently add tags to any new contact you create. First, start by navigating to the Contacts module in your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation bar, usually at the top or on the left side of the screen. Click on Contacts. This is where all of your individual contact records are stored. If you've just created a new contact, it should appear in this list. Next, find the newly created contact in the contacts list and click on their name. This will open up the full record details for that person. You'll be taken to a page or panel that shows all of their information, such as their email, phone number, company, and any custom fields you've set up. Once you're viewing the contacts record, look for the Tags section. This is typically located near the contact's name at the top or close to the top of the Details panel. The exact position can vary a bit depending on your layout or updates to Zoho's interface, but it's usually easy to spot. Next to the Tags label, you should see a plus sign or a small pencil icon. Go ahead and click that. This tells Zoho that you want to add or edit tags for this contact. A small input box will appear where you can type in the tag names you want to assign. Start typing the first tag, and when you're done with that word or phrase, press Enter on your keyboard. This creates the tag and attaches it to the contact. If you want to add more than one tag, just keep typing the next tag and pressing Enter after each one. Take a moment to be consistent with your tag names so they stay organized and easy to search later. When you're finished adding all the tags you need, click the Save button. As soon as you save, the tags will be immediately associated with that contact. You should now see them displayed in the Tags section of the record, confirming that everything has been applied correctly, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully added tags to a new contact in Zoho CRM, making it much easier to categorize and manage your contacts going forward.